Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola. Today I am going to be showing you guys this delicious spicy pasta recipe that I made. But before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button below. Now let's get to the real show right now. So this is what I'll be using today, so stay tuned guys. And alright, so next thing is I'll let my pasta cook for about 20 minutes. Now moving on to my shrimp. So this is my already washed shrimp. I'll be seasoning my shrimp with onion powder. I'll also be adding some paprika for some color and some spice to it. And then I'll be adding some garlic powder as well. And I also add a little bit of oyster sauce for some sweet taste to it. And the next thing is just mixing them up and let them sit for like 2-3 minutes. And I'll also add a little bit of salt for taste as well. So now this is my seasoned shrimp. It's all seasoned and I left it down for 5 minutes. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be putting this in the hot pan just to cook it, stir fry it a little bit. So now I'm just gonna let the shrimp cook for like a minute on both sides, and then I'll flip it every 1 minute. Once the shrimp is cooked for 1 minute on both sides, I'm gonna take it out of the pan. So now what I'm gonna do is cook my tomato paste. I'm using ragu, so I put a little oil in the pan, the same pan, and I poured the ragu in and let it cook for like a few minutes. So after like 2-3 minutes, I'm going to be pouring in my Prego Alfredo sauce. You can also use a heavy cream, it's up to you. Once that's all mixed together, I'm going to be adding some of my spices, onion powder and garlic powder as well. So after like 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to be adding my pasta. So now I'll let the pasta cook for like 5 minutes, and then I'll be adding my already cooked shrimp to it. Alright, so after like 5 to 10 minutes, the pasta is ready and ready to be served. All right, so this is the final result, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this recipe. If you also don't like shrimp, you can also use any other protein as well. You can use meat, you can use beef, you can use sausage if you like. But let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please click the red button below. And if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up for more content like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.